Hi, here we are at Groove Pizza. This is a way to make some drum tracks or just messing around with them. And what we have here is a pizza-shaped kind of circle thing and a line down here. And they will do the same thing in different ways. You can choose whether you like to do things linearly in a line or if you like to do things pizzularly. So this is what should look like when you first get to this site. And you'll notice there's a little line here. And this circle, this ring of the circle, represents the kick drum, the bass drum of a drum set. This thing right there, that bass drum. And the next circle represents the snare drum. This one right there, or sometimes in a techno or an electronic kit, it will be a clap. And then this inner ring is the hi-hat. It's this thing. It's this on a drum kit that goes tss, 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 like that kind of a thing. You control that with your foot usually. And let's just hear what this sounds like so far. So we've got something in the bass drum, and then we've got this little triangle in the hi-hat. Awesome. I'm going to turn off the hi-hat so you can hear just the bass drum. Let's put some hi-hat back in. I don't know what I did there, but... And let's just for fun add some clapping in here. I don't like it on 2. Let's go 1 instead of 2. Yeah. Oh, that's an interesting shape on there. I don't mind that. Let's kind of hang on to that. Just as a thing, you can certainly mess around with that. And if you added another dot in there, oops, that's not what I meant to do. I meant to do that dot there. You can see how that shape, that triangle shape moves. And it makes different shapes. The more dots you add, the more sides to your shape you have. Connection to math. Inside the kit, right here, you have some different drum kits that you can use. That one was our techno kit. The Afro-Latin, if I just click on that, leave the same pattern, play on it, it's a different drum set, so it's going to sound like this. I like it. I like Latin beats. Hip hop sounds like this. And what's next? Jazz sounds like this. And the rock beat or rock kit sounds like this. So once you've made your pattern, you can choose what kind of a style you'd like to have. Over here are some pre-made things. Oh, look, it's a blank pizza. You can start on your own and just start from nothing and create your own. The lab groove is the one that you have as the default setting. And then there's all these other ones. This would have a Latin kind of a feel to it. I want to show you the Billie Jean because it's a pretty straight ahead rock one. It sounds like this. And you could even add things to that if you want to. These are just templates to start with. What's another one? You might recognize this. Let's see if you know what that is. Does it remind you of a Queen song? We will rock you. So those are some things you can do over there. Down here are some controls. So here's a volume and it's a slider. So you click and slide it. And this one is the BPM is how fast it goes. It stands for beats per minute. So this is the speed, the tempo. Slices, usually in music you want to stick to 4s, 8s, or 16s because they make the most sense. But if you want to mess around with other ones, I can't do it very well with my trackpad, but that just changes the pizza slices. Okay, I think that gives you enough to play with. Have some fun with that. See you later.